In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can install Visual Studio Code and can configure it for Python. So let's begin. So for that, I already opened this website. So head over to this website, okay, code.visualstudiocode.com, and here it's automatically detect which system you are on. So I'm on Windows. It says download for Windows. Let's go ahead and say this. And once it is downloaded, then we will double click on this in order to open this one. Okay, so it has opened. Let's make a little bit zoom so we can focus over here. Then click on this. I accept the agreement. Then next, and create desktop icon. If you want to add open code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, and so on and so forth. If you would like to do that, do it. I'm fine with all of this, the default selection. Then next, and then install. All right, so let's leave this as is and launch. Let me zoom out. All right, so it's installed, and we are going to create one file in order to test it whether our Python is configured or not. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a file, python test.py, not pu, py. All right, it asks us, so let's go ahead to the desktop and create file over there. We are done, and here we go. Let's check. Very simple thing, print hello. That's it. So in order to execute this, there are ways. We will see that in next tutorial, different way to access the Python. But here we do not see any of the button over here in this corner. If you see, I do not have any button to execute this. So what I'm going to do, I will click on this extension, and there, here we go. Here we recommended. So click on the Python in this extension, click on install. And if you see, when you select this, so this is from Microsoft.com. I can trust this. And also, if you want it automatically get updated, select this one, auto update it. So whenever new features are there for this one, you are not gonna miss. All right, so let's give it some time. It's already done. And now let me come over here on this, and let's hide the extension. And here we go. We have this. And if you notice over here, before we do not have this option, right? This one. It says run Python file. So yes, we want to run that, and click on this. And so very simple. So it's very easy, nothing complicated. And if you want additional things like zoom in on the code, so what you could do here, go in the settings option, and here you could find the mouse wheel, which is already selected, zoom the font in editor. So that's fine, and it's working for us. So that's it on how to install and configure Visual Studio Code for Python. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Consider supporting our channel. The easiest way is hit the thumbs up button. And if I really touched your soul, subscribe for more beginner-friendly Python lesson. Got questions or feedback, drop them in comments. I read everyone and love hearing from you. In next tutorial, we are going to learn how to access the Python or ways to access the Python. So stay tuned, keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye-bye.